Okay, this next section is going to be about parallel and perpendicular lines. Let's first off talk about parallel lines. And first off, what are parallel lines? Well, they're two basically non-vertical lines are parallel. It says if and only if their slopes are equal. Well, that makes sense. Slope 1 equals slope 2, and notice they will look like that. They are parallel and they have the same slopes. Oh, okay. That's not a huge deal. Now, let's look at this here. I got a nice little crop there to show some parallel lines. That's the way farmers plant their crops. Suppose I want to find the equation of a line that passes through the point 2, -1 and is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y equals 5. Well, first off, one of the things I need to do is this. In order to write a new equation, I have a point and I got to have a slope. And if it's parallel, I'll have the same slope as that line. So I said a point and a slope. Remember that from the other thing. So how can I find the slope of 2x minus 3y equals 5? Well, move the 2 over to the other side, right? And then divide by -3. And that will give me a -2 divided by -3 makes a positive 2/3 here. And 5 divided by that -3 makes a -3. So there I have a slope of 2/3. So I know the slope of this equation is 2/3. So I have a point and I have a slope. So I can plug them in. You can see right here. Okay. So, like I said, plug it in. I'm going to put this one right here for that one. I'm going to put that m for that from that slope right there here. And I'm going to put that x of 1 from that point right there. And then multiply it. Y minus 1, y minus -1 is the same as y plus 1. Which I went ahead and made 3 over 3 so we'd have a common denominator. 2/3 times x is 2/3 x. And 2/3 minus 2 is -4/3. Now I need to subtract a 3/3 from each side right here, which gives me y equals 2/3 x minus 7/3. So I just found the parallel line that goes through the point 2, -1 for that equation there. But the first thing I had to do was I had a point and I had to find a slope. So I had to get it in that y-intercept form to make that particular thing work right there. Okay?